so for the Mediterranean meatballs, we're gonna season the meat with Mediterranean Greek salad dressing. I know, it sounds weird, but it's a very, very good way to season meat. I would actually recommend using ground turkey, but we're using ground beef. It actually has chunks of feta in it, so you don't have to add any, but you can if you want. So mix that in and then start your meatballs, and then start pan frying them or oven frying them, whatever works for you. Okay, we put some feta in just for that extra salt taste. I think you should do it too. Okay, you all know how to roll balls, so roll it into a relatively small size and then throw it, gently place on the frying pan. You don't need to oil it because ground beef is very oily. Just stick them on the pan. Don't leave it. Okay, we're gonna start by putting rice in the bottom of the bowl. I don't need to show you how to cook it. Everybody knows how to cook rice. Next, we're gonna top the rice with the cooked meatballs. Make sure you sample them. They are so good. And we have our chopped veggies, the tzatziki, taki, feta, olives, dill, everything. We're just gonna assemble it and warm up a little bit of pita and butter for a little triangle side.